The 2014 Chevrolet COPO Camaro. In what has become somewhat of a tradition for Chevrolet at SEMA, the Bowtie-bearing brand is preparing to introduce a new version of its drag racing mastodon, the COPO Camaro. At the 2013 SEMA Auto Show, the COPO program returns with all the design tweaks and modifications given to the 2014 Camaro. This time, the factory-built dragster will immediately hit production with the same 69-unit allocation, making it another must-have Camaro for enthusiasts and drag racers alike. The 2014 COPO Camaro will also come with a pair of new racing engines, including a revised take on the naturally aspirated 427 engine, as well as a supercharged version of the 350 cubic inch engine that we first saw tucked comfortably under the hood of the 2013 COPO Camaro. The latter will also receive a 2.9-liter Whipple, screw-type compressor, as if all the mechanical workings done on the engine aren't enough on their own. Naturally aspirated 350 and 396 cubic inch engines are also set to be offered for the 2014 COPO Camaro, giving buyers plenty of options to choose from as far as their preferred engine choice is going to be for their Camaro drag racer. All 2014 COPO Camaros come standard with an NHRA-approved roll cage and suspension, and feature an exclusive live rear axle. In somewhat of another similar move, or possibly to drive up the car's PR worthiness, as if it needed any, Chevrolet will send the first production COPO Camaro to Barrett-Jackson this coming January for the Scottsdale, Arizona auction. The proceeds from the auction will be sent directly to the Achilles Freedom Team of wounded veterans. There's plenty to love about the 2014 COPO Camaro. We're sure that a lot of people share our sentiments, which is to say that those interested in scooping one up better get their finances in order before all 69 models are accounted for. Click past the jump to read about the 2013 Chevrolet COPO Camaro. 2013 Chevrolet COPO Camaro. The 69 COPO Camaro units that Chevy built in 2012 sold like hotcakes, so the company decided to expand production by another 69 units. And yes, those sold out pretty quickly, too. For the 2013 model year, the COPO Camaro received a series of updates, like 2 all-new engines and a new manual transmission, plus a series of updates made to the exterior and the interior. The 2013 COPO Camaro also came with a choice of 3 engines, a 350 cubic inch engine that delivers a total of 325 horsepower, a 396 cubic inch engine with 375 horsepower and a 427 cubic inch engine rated at 425 horsepower. Prices have yet to be determined for the 2014 model, but the 2013 version was priced at $86,000, $3,000 less than the 2012 model.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.